Hi, my name is Patrick Reagan. Welcome to the software video series where we discuss how to manage browsers and client emails such as Outlook and how to troubleshoot common software problems. In part 3, we introduced Microsoft Outlook that replaced Microsoft Mail in Windows 11. And part 4 introduces the desktop version of Microsoft Outlook. While Microsoft Outlook is not specifically tested in the CompTIA's A+ exam, if you work for a company or organization, you'll most likely need to know how to support their email system. If you have not already, subscribe to the Pat Has Your Back channel. Outlook that is not part of Windows is very different than the desktop version of Outlook that comes as part of Office 365 and the Office suite. As mentioned before, Outlook that comes with Microsoft Windows is very similar to the web version of Outlook. However, as time goes on, I do expect more features will be added to the web version. Notice you have the menus at the top and you have more buttons on the toolbars. File, Home, Send Receive, Folder, View, and Help. The Home menu provides quick access to commonly used email, calendar, contacts, and task management features. It includes options for composing new emails, replying to or forwarding messages, organizing emails into folders, managing calendar events and appointments, accessing contacts, and creating and managing tasks. When you get constant emails that you no longer want to see or you want to automatically move them into a folder, you can establish rules. The Send and Receive menu allows users to manually send and receive email messages, update folders with new messages, and synchronize changes between Outlook and the mail server. It also includes options for managing offline settings and downloading headers or full messages. The Folder menu contains options for managing email folders, such as creating new folders, renaming folders, moving or copying messages between folders, and setting folder properties. It also provides access to folder-specific settings and customization options. The View menu allows users to customize the appearance and layout of Outlook, including options for changing the arrangement of email messages, adjusting the reading pane, applying view settings, and configuring layout and navigation options. It also includes options for toggling the visibility of various Outlook components, such as the ribbon, navigation pane, and to-do bar. The File menu contains options for managing Outlook data files, such as creating, opening, and importing, exporting, and backing up Outlook items. It also provides access to account settings, mailbox cleanup tools, and options for managing add-ins and customizations. When you choose Open and Export, you can open a calendar file, open a PST file, import/export email, or open another user's email folder. A PST file, short for Personal Storage Table, is a file format used by Microsoft Outlook to store email messages, calendar events, contacts, tasks, and other data locally on a user's computer or network storage device. PST files are commonly associated with Microsoft Outlook, the popular email client and personal information manager included in the Microsoft Office suite. PST files can be used to access their Outlook data offline, even when they are not connected to the internet or the email server. They also can be used for backups or for importing or exporting emails between systems. If you click Files, Office Account, you can log in as a different user, change the product key, perform updates for Office including Outlook, see the version of Outlook, and see problems with accounts. If you click File, Account Settings, You can manage the accounts you have added and the related PST and OST files. If you double-click one of the email accounts, you can configure some advanced account settings, including how much email it will store on the hard drive in OST files. An OST file, short for Outlook Offline Storage Table, is the file used by Microsoft Outlook to store a synchronized copy of mailbox data from an email server locally on a user's computer or other device. OST files enables users to access their email messages, calendar events, contacts, tasks, and other Outlook items offline without needing to be connected to the internet or the email server. If you click File Options, you can get all of the options you find when you click the Web Version Gear button, plus many more options. The Add-ins option allows you to manage your plugins, which can enhance functionality, add features, or interface with other services. Unfortunately, add-ons can cause instability or slowness in Outlook. You can configure out-of-office automatic replies by clicking File Automatic Replies. Many of the email services, including Microsoft's, allows you to configure automatic replies through the web interface. When a user stores hundreds, if not thousands of emails in their mailbox, have multiple folders and rules that may move emails around, users sometimes have trouble locating those emails. Users can try to search using the search box. If the email cannot be found, you can always go to the web version of the email and search for the email. If the email is found on the web version, but not the desktop version, there's a problem with indexing or the OST/PST files. If a user is having problems with Microsoft Outlook, the user can temporarily use the web versions of the email service as a workaround until the desktop version of Microsoft is fixed. Don't forget to check the deleted folder in the recycle bin for the deleted items by clicking Recover Items Recently Removed from this folder. If you're having problems with Outlook, there are some options that you can try. Right-click the Start button, lower left corner, and select Installed Apps on the pop-up menu. Select the Microsoft Office projects you want to repair, click the ellipses, and select Modify. Depends on your Office installation type. Click to Run or MSI Base, you'll see one of the following options to proceed with the repair. Select Online Repair, Repair, and then click Continue. Or change the installation window, select Repair, and then click Continue. Of course, you need to check your company's knowledge base and use your favorite search engine if you have problems that you cannot easily solve. If you have a subscription for Office 365, don't be afraid to open a ticket with Microsoft. Now that these two videos have introduced you to Microsoft Outlook, you should try to acquire both versions of Outlook and configure Outlook to access and manage your emails. And even if you're not going to support emails in the future, you should learn how to send and read emails, reply to emails, schedule meetings, manage your contacts, and manage your tasks. For more information, visit these sites. In summary, Outlook that is now part of Windows is very different than the desktop version of Outlook that comes as part of Office 365 and the Office suite. The home menu provides quick access to commonly used email, calendars, contacts, and task management features. The Send and Receive menu allows users to manually send and receive email messages, update folders with new messages, and synchronize changes between the Outlook and the Mail server. The File menu contains options for managing Outlook data files, such as creating, opening, importing, exporting, and backing up Outlook items. A PST file, short for Personal Storage Table, is a file format used by Microsoft Outlook to store emails, messages, calendar events, contacts, tasks, and other data locally on a user's computer or network storage device. The add-in options allows you to manage your plugins, which can enhance functionality, add features, or interface with other services. Thank you for watching this video. The next video will be Software, Part 5, Windows Troubleshooting Tools, Part 1. If you have not already, don't forget to subscribe to the Pat Hedger Beck channel. Thank you.